Charlie, did you get a truck? Say thank you, Grandpa. Thank you, Grandpa, for my truck.
Charlie, it's almost dinner time.
Did you get a truck? Vroom, vroom, that's right. That's right. Okay. Say goodbye to everybody. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, Charlie. Oh, you're just too fascinated with your truck, huh?
See this relaunch of